Cooking with the Community, a new food show. I'm Alani Cabrera, and each episode will feature a Paramount resident preparing one of their favorite meals. In today's episode, we're going to be making Vietnamese spring rolls. So let's get cooking. Our first step is to wash all our vegetables. Next step, we're going to peel off all the skin from our vegetables. Once peeled, we're going to thinly slice our vegetables so that it will fit nice and snug once we assemble our rolls. So now we're going to prepare our shrimp. We're going to take off the tail and then the skin around it. Alright, so now we're going to cook our shrimp. We're going to do a quick pan fry. So what you're going to do is put your pan on medium heat, about medium to low heat, and we're going to quickly we're just going to oil it with a neutral oil so our shrimp doesn't stick, and then we're going to wait till our pan gets a little hot. We're going to go ahead and add it in. And once it starts to turn pink, we will take it off the heat. Now we're gonna put them on a plate to let them cool down. We're gonna take a medium-sized pot and we're gonna put some water in it and we're gonna boil it to cook our glass rice noodles. I'm just gonna fill it up about halfway. Once our water is boiled, turn off the heat. We are now going to add in our noodles. And we're gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. So now we're going to be making our peanut dipping sauce for our spring rolls. We're going to start off with a half cup of peanut butter. So at this point, this is where you add all of your filling. Okay, let's take a bite. Hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Stay tuned for our next episode. We will have a very special guest, which is the mayor. I will see you guys in our next episode.